was over, they thought I was finished, dog. Whole city jump behind me, now I get more racks than a tennis ball. And you know ain't no looking back. The streets brought the hustle out of me. I was sick of eating pot of meat. Ramen noodles all through the week. The struggle was ugly. Made some.
What it do, man? 78Chevyboi. We out here today on this grill, man. Just getting it crunk up. We about to get started, man. We just gonna put a little lamb and shrimp on here today. So you gotta excuse, it's kind of windy out here. You hear the plastic on the car from the, you know, the neighbors are painting their house, so they covered our cars with plastic so they wouldn't get any paint on it, you know, as they paint. But yeah, I just crunked the grill up, man. About to get the charcoal right. Already cleaned the grill and everything. Man, I've had this stick, man, 18 years, man, believe it or not. 18 years. This is my stick I use for my charcoal. I've been in my house 18 years. And I've had this stick just as long as I've been in the house. I told y'all the way I do mine, you know, I make a pyramid to get the charcoal started. I make a pyramid, and once I get my pyramid, once the coal get hot, they get white, I spread it out. You know, everybody do theirs different, but then I spread the charcoal out into a fade. Like my left side is gonna be my hottest side, and then my middle, you know, it fades down. And once we get to the right side, that's the weakest side. That's the coldest side. So once stuff, you know, meat or whatever you got on the grill start getting done, you can start moving it to this end where I can use this part and this part up here on the top. I'm gonna show y'all how I got my charcoal. Charcoal hot too, boy. Charcoal hot. Yeah, we get all them charcoal white. So they lay down. You have this weak side, boy. Them junk hot, boy. Woo! Got them junk right. Yeah, man. Hold on, y'all. Y'all gotta excuse that paper sound, that plastic sound in the back, man. Y'all gotta excuse. But, you know, everybody got their own methods. So, I know everybody don't, you know, y'all don't do it the same way I do it. I'm just showing y'all my way that I do it. And it's been working for me. I've had some damn good grill food come off this grill, man. And I've been told that by plenty, man. So I'm gonna show y'all what I'm talking about. You see how I got the most? Well, it's the same, it's layered, and it go down to the end, and there's nothing on the end really. You see what I'm saying? It thins out. Ooh, boy, that mother hot too, boy. It's ready, man. Let me go and get that lamb out the house, man, so I can put it on there. Let me go and get that lamb out the house. Yes, sir. Now I got my water bottle. You know, to control the fire. I ain't even make up my little concoction, but I don't need that. You know, I ain't got the chicken and all that stuff on there. I make my little concoction and spray on the meat. I ain't gotta worry about that. We just got shrimp and lamb today, and my lamb, it's been marinating overnight. Shout out to Big Mike, man. Big Mike told me about another marinade to put on my lamb, man. I'm gonna see what it's hitting like, man. But Big Mike know how to cook though. He know how to cook, grill, whatever, man. Big Mike fix cars, fix on houses. Big Mike do everything, man. So I know this marinade gonna be fire. I know it's gonna be fire. So give me a minute. Let me go get the lamb, and we'll be right back, man. Keep it locked. Oh yeah. You got them, boy. You got them thing. Oh, they marinated. See how dark they are? Them junk marinated good, boy. Yes, sir. Boy called this that good meat. It's that good meat right here, man. Ooh, that junk hot, boy. I'm gonna have to watch these. I got that fire hot today. Good God. Shout out to Big Kenny. Good God. Big Kenny know what I'm talking about. Ooh, ball lady gonna want them junk there. That big junk, that one. Ball lady want them. Surprised she ain't got her name on that junk. Yes, sir. Got them big shrimp too. We got some big shrimp, man. Nice size shrimp. I'm gonna put it like this. They ain't the biggest. But they some nice size shrimp. Get them junk from Costco. We get the lamb and the shrimp from Costco, man. And I learned something, man. We went ahead and got us a Costco account because Costco is like, okay, you got Walmart, you got Target. Costco is like Target, Walmart, Sam's is like Walmart. Yeah. Sam's is like Walmart. Up. Got them joints on there. I'm gonna go get that shrimp. I'm gonna show y'all that shrimp in a minute when I get back. Yes, sir. We'll be right back. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Got them shrimps. Got them shrimps, man. Shrimps, man. Them junk right there. I'll show y'all. Show y'all the couple of them junk. Nice size shrimp, boy. Nice size joints. Grilling with 78, man. Well, I said, man, I ain't just got no car channel. I don't just have a car channel, man. Mine is a life channel. This is the life channel, man. You feel me? This is the life channel. What's up? Woo! Big Mike, them things looking good, Big Mike. Big Mike, they looking good, baby. Yes, sir. And it don't take long for lamb, man. It don't take long at all. You know, we eat ours like medium well. Medium well, we eat ours. That fire hot today, boy. That fire hot today, man. that big boy in the middle right there. That's another big one. Ooh, them things looking golden, boy. Ooh, man. What's up? Thing looking good. I'm about to get me a picture with my phone, man. Get me a picture with that iPhone. An iPhone 15 on the way, man, for me and Boss Lady. Actually, Boss Ladies will be here tomorrow. Mine won't be here for another, man, probably 2-3 weeks because they was on back order. I got her 256 gig. I got myself a terabyte. You know, I got more stuff than Boss Lady in the phone, so I got me a terabyte, man. Yeah, iPhone 15 on the way, man. We're gonna trade the 12s in. We're gonna trade the 12s in. That's for my Android people. They wanna know. That's for my Android people that wanna know. Yeah, man. Just checking my phone real quick. Take me a couple pictures, man. Take me a video right quick. Take me a video. Man, that smoke, boy. Man. That's that little seasoning, boy. That's that special sauce. That's that special sauce, boy. Yeah, these are here about ready to put over to the smoke side, man. Then they're trying to sprinkle some, man. They're trying to sprinkle a little bit. What's up with all that? Where that come from? I think I want to go shoot that AR today, man. Man, I might go shoot that AR when I get done with this. Real talk. I bought a membership to what's the name? I ain't even been up there. Yeah, man. I think I'm gonna go shoot that AR, man. Real. I'm gonna get a knife too, so I cut these bigger ones. We'll be right back, man. This rain trying to come in. Get them out of here, man, working with this rain, man. Boy, look good, too. Boy, look good, too, man. Check them out, check them out. Here, like old boy be saying. Here, man. Here. I know you want some, man. Here. Wash your hand before you stick it in there. Okay. That's enough. We'll be right back, man. We'll be right back. What it do, man? I'm back, 78Chevyboi. We about to head up here. Well, we ain't heading up here. We already here, man. Academy Sports. We about to go get us some ammo, man. We finna go down here. Go around here and shoot this AR and this 40, man. Keep it locked. Yeah, man, I found got me 3 boxes of 5.56s and 1 box of 40s. 1 box of 40s, man. So I'm probably gonna end up shooting 2 of these 5.56s, and I might shoot all the 40s since they target bullets. I might shoot all of them. So that's what we got, man. 5.56s, 40. All right. Yeah, man, got what I need. I just noticed I don't have but 20% left on this GoPro, man. So I'm gonna charge it up when I get in the car. Try to get a little juice before we get down there, man. I bought my my mount so I can mount it on the glass, get a better angle while we in there busting that joint, man. So keep it locked, man. 78Chevyboi. We'll be down at the range in a minute. All right. Yeah, man. Made it down here to the range. Got my got me some targets. Got me 4 different targets, man. This is my mount. This is my mount I was talking about that I was gonna put up on the window. He got me down on the end, so he was trying to get me far away from everybody since I bought the AR with me. So I'm finna go in here, set up, have a little fun, man. Alright? Keep it locked. Yeah, man, come to find out, these are green tips. These green tips, you cannot shoot green tips in the range. They will pierce the back wall, which is aluminum. It will pierce it. So I can't shoot these. I had to go and buy some regular junks, full metal jackets. So I guess I'll just keep the green tips for the house. You know what I'm saying? Had to get some of these regular junks. Got 12 on. 12 on, man. What y'all got going on? What y'all got going on, man? Yes, sir. Sunday gun day. My boy says Sunday gun day, man. Yes, sir.
Why does Greg get so mad when like I can't hear nothing and like somebody dude. I think he's either one mad gone and his job is much harder than you, or he's like tired of everything.
We're gonna go for right here. Anywhere in there. Let's see.
Yes. Thanks. Good. Well, let bygones be bygones. I see how it is. time I come in, I'll try. Bro, damn, bro, you ain't. I got about to say, you know, I'm like, bro, yo, you ain't never.
Alright. It was decent. It was decent. No, really to tell you the truth, it was my fault that it jammed. When I cocked it, I didn't cock it all. It didn't cock all the way, and I still tried to shoot it. I should have just dropped the clip and redone it in the first place. I saw it when it halfway went in. I just thought once I shot it, it was gonna catch up. So that was my fault on that one. What it do, Aunt Lee? Man, you already know it. Man, so I'm practicing on deer flipping somebody. You already know it, bro. You already know. I did. All torso shots, man. 5 on. Right there, baby. Right there. You right there. He want to say something so bad. He want to say something so bad, but he can't though. He can't though, because he just let dude get away with it. He can't say that because he just let dude get away with it.
We don't have to take this out, we have a whole roll of them.
Appreciate that big shot. Y'all think, man? That was a little better right there, man. That was a little better, man. Need more mag for your pistol. I'm only putting 10 at a time. See, I'm only putting 10 in there at a time.
My seven, I'm keeping in my seven, I'm bouncing in my seven, I'm riding in